How to fix Samsung settings not opening on Android. This tutorial shows you how to force stop and clear cache to resolve the issue. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Settings app icon. After that, tap on the Info or I button to go to App Info. From there, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right of the page. At this point, tap OK to confirm and completely shut down the Settings app in the background. This stops anything that may be preventing the app from opening properly. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap on Storage. Following this, tap on Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing the issue. Once done, go back to your home screen and long press on the Power button. From here, tap on Restart and confirm to reboot your device. Finally, once your device is back on, try opening Settings again. It should now open smoothly without any issues. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your Settings app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.